Hi, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Jason. And today I'm just going to talk about Canva. What is Canva and how it does, how it works. And one of the best things about Canva is it's a free tool, and it is a designing tool for our digital marketing. And one of the best thing about it is that we don't have to design at all. There are so many templates, and from there we can like have any templates, and you can design with your it. And one of the most important thing about it is that it makes our work very fast. Who don't want to work to work to work as fast as possible in your life, right? Uh, and one more thing about Canva is that Canva it started with like many years ago, but the rating of this is very high right now. Now this going higher and higher every day, and it's getting more expensive if you talk about the domain Canva. Let's go and see what it is Canva. Okay, by the way, Canva is a designing tool which is for uh which is for like designers. And one of the most important thing is Canva can be your fastest work place for you. Let me show you what is Canva. Okay, by the way, let me go with something. Okay, let's go with something. Okay, like what is Canva, right? Let's see what is Canva then. CN CNVA Canva. Okay, let's go. It comes like this. This is the Canva home page, and from here you can see some. It's so beautiful, and you can see so many templates, and I have made so many things, so many templates like travel.coms, like this is YouTube thumbnail. And from here, so many things about it. You can do anything as you like. Okay, let's go and let's begin with this topic. Canva, okay, right? This is the logo of this homepage, and as I told you, it is already designed. You will be having so many templates, right? So you can make anything like logos, art, presentation, graphs, or you want to if you want to make a banner, you can make it. If I will show you one by one, okay, right, guys? Okay, here it is. This is the menu bar, and you can see here designing, post slide, business, education, plans and pricing, learn, right? From here, let's go with this one, okay? Let's see the what is there in down, okay? Great, start creating, right? From here, you can see a logo, fly maker, banner, posters, resume, invitations, business card, video, menus maker, qualities, presentation, right? But most important thing is what we want is like logo, right? If you're starting a business, then a logo is must, right? Then you can make from here also logo, okay? And second one is banner, right? If you are starting a business, it is must to have a banner presentation, right? If you are having the presentation is one of the also most important thing to give information about yourself, your own business. If posters, if you want to make for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your Twitter, for YouTube, and many more things are here, right? And I'll show you one by one, okay, guys? Okay, let's go out here and see. In the hidden menu, this is called hidden menu, and this is my personal account, and that's why it is my picture out here. And here you can see there's home, templates, projects, and brands, content planner, discover apps, um, smart mockups, create a team, right? Guys, if you're going with a team in this Canva, then you can go also with that one also. And one of the most thing about it is you can use with it with your friends, with your relatives to get more information about this also. And you can see for you, like whiteboards, presentation, small social media, videos, website. So okay, let's go with this one. Okay, right, guys. Home. As you all know, we are at home page, right? That's why it is here. Let's go to template. Templates, right, guy? Here you can see anything in a template. You can have any template, any kind of template. If you're talking about a travel agent, then you can just type here thousands of templates here. Like if you want travel travel, right? You see, okay, there will be coming so many templates for travel agents. Here you can see it's just a thing that is everything is out here. You just need to pick it up, which is better for your business. Okay, guys. And if you want to have a fashion, yes, I want fashion design, DSIGN, right? You can see out here. And one more thing, guys. Here is two kinds of things. One is pro version and one is free, right? And pro version you always find there with crown, yellow crown. That is a pro version, and you have to pay for that. If you want to use that, if you want to use that template, then you have to pay for that. Okay, and it's also most beautiful thing about this Canva. Canva is everything is so designed perfectly. You just see that picture and you say that wow, what a picture, right? What a poster. You just need to design a little bit if you are working with your own. It's already given you so many styles, so many ways of posting. But if you want to make it up into yourself, then you can design also. Okay, guys, I will show you one good example also by doing myself. One poster making you know that how it is, how it works. Okay, guys, and going with before going with Canva, guys, you should know the dimension because dimension is one of the most important thing in Canva in social media, guys. If you don't know the Facebook dimension, then how are you going to make a poster, right, guys? That is the main thing right now. And if you don't know the dimension of any social media, then it would be like it would damage your posters, it will damage your size of your poster, it will damage your dimension, and it will look so odd and bad to your post. Okay, guys, that's why that's it is very important to know about the dimension also. Let's go to our homepage and I will show you what it is. You can see now, right? Um, I already told you this is the homepage. You can see everything out here. What you want to make, and it's business. If you are working on a business, then you can see everything is building a brand, team template. Everything is out here, right? Education. If you're going with education, then just say teachers in schools, students, free teachers, source, plans and pricing. If you want to do pricing, if you want to plan something, then you can do from here also. And let's go out. Let's create one picture, right? Poster just to show what it is and how it's going to be with this Canva making a poster. For me, because for me, Canva is best tool because I'm a digital marketer and I don't like to design most of the time because it just takes my time and I don't like it. So I use Canva because I find some everything out here with the template. If I want to make a poster, then I don't have to design much. For I don't have to give time for posters to make it. But but personally, if you go with this Canva, then I just have to pick out one template and little bit I have to design it for myself for what my niche is on my topic. Right then, it is very simple and it is very easy to create and find my topic. Right, guys. And guys, and what you want to make is like if you want to create a one poster, then just go to a create design. Here it is, and just click it on, and you can see white information presentation, A4 documents, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, right, guys, video, Facebook post, and here you can see here it is a dimension of. Facebook post also. Just given logo 500 to 500 px Facebook cover page 160, right guys, graphs. It's everything out here, okay? You just need to know what you want to have. And one more thing about this, and if you want to go with this start from a scratch, then just click to custom size with you guys here. And just know that 1080 is a perfect dimension for every social media platform, you guys. And if you want to make, if you don't know the dimension of any social media platform, then you just click to 1080 and 1080 because it is one of the good dimension for you and for myself also, because I use most of the time this dimension because it makes our poster so good. My network is going slow. Are you sure, bro? Okay. Mm-mm. Okay, what is happening? Mm, What the heck is happening to my network?